everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you to the official virtual launch of Clofoli.com. My name is Sajita Nair and I'll be the Master of Ceremonies for today's event, and I sincerely hope for you all to have a very great time with us. Clofoli.com is the online store for Clofoli Apparels Private Limited, which is a new clothing brand formed with the aim of creating a truly transnational urban fashion choice. We are introducing our launch collection for boys and girls of the age group from 5 to 12. The theme of our launch collection, named as Wardrobe 2021, is Look Good No Matter What You Do, brings with it a spirit of style that let the kids be kids. It's stylish but not loud. It's elegant but not over the top. It makes every moment picture worthy. Whether they are climbing the trees, slipping down the slides, or running their hearts out, it lets them enjoy their natural surroundings while also making them look good while doing it. It's a brand that's here to bring joy to kids with clothes that lets them express themselves without trying too hard. Let's kickstart the event with welcome speech from Mrs. Diana Dennis, who is one of the founding members and the directors of board of Clofoli Apparels Private Limited. Mrs. Diana Dennis.
Good evening all. It's a great privilege for Clofoli Apparels and personally for me to welcome you all this evening to our store launch. Thanks for all your love and effort to join us today amidst of your busy schedule. It would have been great to have you all with us around in person. Given the circumstances, this is best we could do, and thank you for your support. As you know, Clofoli is an apparel brand which was conceptualized months ago in the middle of the pandemic lockdown. This is the coming together of few minds who shared the passion of creating something new and special. Like every story, we also had our own share of roller coaster ride with disruptions and delays mainly due to COVID crisis. It's a moment of great pride for us to be with all of you on this important milestone. Let me get on to my duty to extend a warm welcome to everyone here. We have with us our chief guest for the event, Mr. KP Shashidharan, State General Secretary of Suvarna Karnataka Kerala Samajam. He has kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate the store. He is known for his administrative capabilities and wonderful achievements from SKKS and various other social causes. He has been part of many auspicious beginnings. On behalf of Clofoli Apparels Private Limited, I extend a warm welcome to Shashietan. I would like to welcome our board of directors, Mr. Rajagopal, our creative head, Tony Kadavil, Mr. Arvind G, Mr. Deepu Joseph, Ms. Nitya Sajesh, and Mr. Vicky Elias. We would also like to welcome Ms. Shruti, our fashion designer, who crafted fabulous designs which you will see in the store. We also welcome Mr. Govindan Kuti, who has joined us in the journey and guided us and have supported us immensely. On behalf of Clofoli, I sincerely welcome Mr. John, who supported us and played the role of a mentor and has been our consultant in chief, giving us direction and has always been a sounding board. Clofoli Apparels Private Limited, your new fashion store for premium casual clothing, wholeheartedly welcomes all of you, our friends, our well-wishers, to this launch event, and looking forward for your support throughout this event and beyond. With all happiness, I also welcome Orchidwood family. What a wonderful community you have been. You have supported us and your encouragement has been invaluable. I also welcome the child models and their parents who supported us all this while. Clofoli will like to extend a warm welcome to Orchidwood Association. Our OWOA office bearers have been great and supported us through the journey. I also extend a warm welcome to our families for being with us, for supporting us. They have adjusted a lot all this while. We sincerely thank them for their unrelenting support. Once again, I thank you all and wish you a great evening.
Thank you, Dinah, for your warm words. To take the event to the next step, we will now move on to the most important part, the launch of our website, clofoli.com. For doing the honors, I would like to welcome our chief guest for the day, Mr. Shashidharan, to the dais along with Mr. Tony Kadaval, Mrs. Dinah Dennis, and Mr. Rajgopal, directors of the board of Clofoli Apparels Private Limited. Wow, the online store is open for shopping now. Please make sure that you all go and pick the clothes of your choice and make your little ones really happy. Thank you, Mr. Shashidharan, for blessing us with your presence today. Thank you, Dinah, Tony, and Rajgopal. We will now give you a quick virtual tour of the online store. And here we go.
Hello everyone, this is Deepu and I am really glad to take you all on a walkthrough of our online store and the story we have. When you land on our online store clofoli.com, you will see the banners with our Wardrobe 2021 launch collection on the theme Look Good No Matter What You Do. It brings with it a spirit of style that lets kids be kids. It's a brand that is here to bring joy to the kids with clothes that let them express themselves without trying too hard. The lookbook takes you through the overall expression of our collection for 2021, and on clicking you can check out on specific item that you wanted to see. The girls menu takes you through all the collection that we have for girls, and clicking on one of the items of your choice, you can see the details with different age group expression of the same product. Clicking on the photographs, you can go and do a detailing of the product. Same with the boys menu. You can look at all the items that we have for boys for this season. Clicking on the item of your choice, you can see the details of different expressions of age groups and more detailed views of the product of your choice before taking the decision to buy. If you have any queries, you can give us a message and get in touch with us through this page. To make your job easy, on the home page we have shop by category section. You can select the product that you want to check out. This will give you direct access to the kind of product that you want to purchase, instead of going through the main menus. Our online store is now open for you to purchase the products of your choice. We at clofoli.com wishes you a wonderful shopping experience. Thank you.
I would now like to invite Mr. Tony Kadawil, the founding member and director, to deliver the vote of thanks. Mr. Tony Kadawil.
Thank you, Sajida. Let me start with a famous quote from my favorite author, Paulo Coelho. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, fellow directors, well-wishers, and most valued invited guests. It has been a great evening, and I am very pleased to be here along with you all. As I recall, almost a year back, one September night, where we had our regular gatherings, where we discussed anything about anything under the moon, this idea first cropped up. And as we stand today, I would like to quote one more from Paulo Coelho. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: fear of failure. With that note, let me take you through the vote of thanks. It's a long list, and I'm very thankful to my friend Sunil to have the complete list, to make the complete list. On behalf of Clofoli Apparels Private Limited, we would like to thank Shashiatan for his love and care for us. Whenever we have spoken about this idea, Shashiatan has encouraged us. Thank you again, Shashiatan, for being with us to grace this occasion with your presence. Amidst all your busy schedules and inaugurating the store, we are sure we will have your blessings in this new journey. Next, I would like to thank Mr. John, who is an industry veteran who has been our go-to person from day one. Till date, with various queries at all the hours of the day, John has been a pillar of support and has given us various leads and helped us avoid various pitfalls. Thank you, John. It wouldn't have been a smooth journey without you. Thank you, Ms. Shruti, our creative and unique apparels you have designed for Clofoli. You have been great associate with and looking forward to your continued cooperation. I extend my gratitude to Mr. Govindan Kutty, our production manager. We call him Kutty with love, for all those running around coordinating with all the vendors, logistic providers, and for your vast experience, which helped us navigate through the various challenges that came your way. We would like to thank our Orchidwood community and Orchidwood office bearers for their support through various milestones of our journey. Thanks to all the parents who wholeheartedly extended their support to Clofoli by coming forward for the audition. Thank you to all the child prodigies who have been brightened our store with their smiles and energy. You have been amazing, and it was a wonderful experience over those few days of our photo shoot. We would also like to extend our gratitude to our manufacturers. Your support has been invaluable. Thank you for accommodating our specific requirements and putting up with our persistence for quality output. At this moment, it would not be appropriate not to remember about our Prashop, one of our first manufacturers, who is unfortunately not with us. I would like to thank my fellow directors for all the hard work up to till date. All of us shared the same thought and vision and stood rock solid to build the brand Clofoli to this point. Raj, our creative director and master brain behind this venture, right from identifying the fabric we should procure, the people who should be associated with, and all the creativity you see on our site. Our social media pages, Raj has put his heart and soul into it. Thank you, Raj. Arvind and Deepu, our directors, has managed the end-to-end operations, value chain, and for ensuring that we have a fluid operating process in place, and for the many other things that are required to be able to launch this event. Vicky for creating the site, working along with Raj and making it operation ready for the launch. Vicky is sitting away thousands of miles away, burned a lot of midnight oil to catch up with us, the rest of the crew, and those sessions and providing his inputs. Diana and Nitya for all the support in accomplishing various things till date. Lastly, but most importantly, Mr. Manoj, who has been a friend and well-wisher. When we were almost convinced that it would not be prudent to have a proper launch event given the rise in cases in Orchid Woods, we were a bit concerned about how to involve our friends and families for the event. Come the man. Thank you, Manoj, for helping us in live streaming the launch and for providing your part to conduct this event. Your support has been fantastic. And I would also like to call upon Dice and Associates, our chartered accountants partner, and our CA Dinsey Jacob, who has been associated with us for over an year and providing us support and completing the formalities, registration formalities and various other administrative requirements and making it operational. Thank you, Dinsey, Dice and Associates. It has been absolute pleasure partnering with you in this new journey, and you have been outstanding with your timely support. A big thank you from the bottom of our heart to our families for standing behind us and for their support. It has not been very kind for you, and you have helped us and accommodated us a lot. There is a lot to be thankful for, and I can go on and on. It has been a fabulous night, and I don't think I'll be able to sleep tonight. Thanks to one and all, and looking forward to all your support and continued patronage as we take our baby steps in the world of fashion. Thank you. Thank you very much, and happy shopping.
Thank you, Tony. So this brings the event to an end now. Thank you all for being patient and appreciating this venture with your presence today. Wishing you all a great shopping experience with Clofoli.com. Your support and feedback is really important to us. Please connect with us on reach us at Clofoli.com and as required, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks again to one and all for making this event a success. Happy shopping with Clofoli.com. Thank you.